It's like being in Chinese pork bun heaven. What's up everyone, I hope you're all doing well. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere. I just arrived in San Francisco, California, and I'm here in Chinatown. I'm gonna take you on a Chinese food tour of the oldest Chinatown in America. They also have the largest Chinese population outside of China. There's a huge mix of food here, Cantonese, Szechuan. I'm taking you to many places to eat today, and the first place we're going to is called Great Eastern. It's really famous because Obama went there. So we're about to walk into like a, I don't know, there's like a dragon in the middle of the street. It's gonna be really cool. Let's go see what's happening. That dragon show was amazing, and as you can see walking through here, it really feels like China in a way. I mean, more of an Americanized Chinatown. Obviously see all the Chinese signs. It's a mix between Mandarin and Cantonese. Alright, so this restaurant looks amazing. I waited 20 minutes in line, and here's my menu, over 83 items. I'm gonna go with steamed pork bun, steamed spare ribs, shrimp dumplings, rice noodle rolls stuffed with beef, and then, I don't know, 83 items, it's really hard to choose from. Maybe the pork and shrimp bean curd skin roll, 14. I think 5 items is enough because each one comes with like 2 or 3. This tea's amazing. Ooh, it's really hot. Wow. I probably overdid it. Okay, so here we got 4 dishes. As I mentioned earlier, we got the steamed pork buns, shrimp dumplings, pork and shrimp bean curd skin roll, and a rice noodle roll stuffed with beef. So we're gonna start with the shrimp roll. Wow. Still so hot. Super gooey, very yummy. I think I gotta add some of this. Wow, the shrimp dumpling's amazing. The texture, very nice, soft. Inside, it's a little chewy. Very good. I mean, it's probably one of the best ones I've ever had. I'm gonna slow down. I still have a lot to go. Here we have the rice noodle roll stuffed with beef. It looks like a pancake. Inside you got the beef, and they put this sauce on top. Look at this thing. The beef is very tender. I like the sauce. It's a little salty. It's like it's layers of crepe actually. It's actually like a mix between a soy and a saltier sauce. I have no idea what this is though. They also have some herbs in here. Oh yeah, fire dish. Next we have the steamed pork buns. Steamed pork buns are actually my favorite thing to eat in China. Every morning I would have some just on the street in Shanghai. The pork has this amazing sauce. Oh my god. The bun is so fluffy and delicious. This is the best thing in the world. It's like being in Chinese pork bun heaven. The last one we have here is the pork and shrimp bean curd skin roll. What? What is this? Okay, I have to confess, these other 3 dishes I've tried them before, so I know what they taste like. This one I haven't tried it before. Look at this, skin roll. The pork and the shrimp mixed together, phenomenal. It's different. They also have here turtle shell jello. I would never eat that. I love turtles. So I don't know what the skin is, but that's what's wrapped around the pork, the shrimp, and the bean curd. I gotta eat this again because I love steamed pork buns. And you gotta remember, there's always a paper underneath, so pull that off. Sometimes I eat that on mistake. Look at the inside here. They're the best. Oh. The sauce with the bun. Wow, I'm extremely full, but this is just the beginning of the food tour. I gotta say though, that pork bun, steamed pork bun, that was the best thing here. They have 83 different dim sum items. I mean, it's expansive. And if you're just one person, I'd say go with 3 things. I have 4 things and I left half the food. I'm extremely full, but I can't wait to go to this Golden Gate Bakery. I read so many good things online about their egg tart, and that's something very big in China is egg tart. It's like a little pastry. Oh, I can't wait. Let's do it. Okay, it's crazy. There's a humongous line outside this place.
Oh, we're looking at this Golden Gate Bakery. It's known for its Danta, right? The egg custard.
Egg
so
custard.
it's very nice.
And that's a big thing in Chinese culture?
Oh yeah, and all the dim sums, that's one of the desserts you go for. Really nice, very nice.
So this is the one place you have to come to when you come to Chinatown, but it's packed. I mean, we've been waiting. Well, actually, I took a break. He saved my spot. It was like a 30-minute line already. I mean, it's been a while.
Yeah, that's right. About 20, 30 minutes. But it's a short wait for good food, so yeah, it's worth it.
It's dessert. All right, so here we have the famous egg custard tart, the Danta, and this is from this is Cantonese. It's traditionally from the Hong Kong area, right?
Yeah, that's the way to do it.
Oh my god.
Yes, now you know.
Oh, so fluffy. Still really hot though.
Remember, you got it.
Oh my god. They say it's the best in the world. I say it's number 2. No, I'm joking. Number 1. Very nice texture. Very soft. It's perfect dessert. Look at this.
Not too sweet.
It's sweet.
It's very light.
But it's not too sweet.
Not too sweet.
Not too sweet.
Not too sweet. It's light.
I think I have
very
to,
light.
but I have to wait a second. It's still way too hot. Like, I'm like, my gums are burning.
Yeah, we are in America. We are in Chinatown, and this is burning hot.
It's boiling hot, but I'll do it.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you've ever been to a Chinese restaurant in America, you've had a fortune cookie. Well, the fortune cookie was invented right here in San Francisco, and right inside here on this street called Ross, they have the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory. I can't wait. They have huge fortune cookies. Here it is. What's up, man?
Thank you. Come in.
Oh my god. Best fortune cookie ever. Oh. So crunchy. So as I mentioned before, the fortune cookie was invented here in San Francisco. You gotta come here, see them making them, buy some. I actually bought a huge one for $6.50. I think my wife's gonna love it. I don't know if she's gonna get it. I might eat it on the way home. All right, let's keep exploring Chinatown. Everything's been so delicious on this food tour, but I have one more stop here at the Far East Cafe. They've been open since 1920. They have Cantonese and Szechuan cuisine, and I'm coming here for the honey walnut prawns. Let's go inside. I'm hungry. So I read online this is like the best dish at this place. So here we have it, the honey walnut prawns. This is why I came here. I love prawns, I love honey, I love walnuts. It looks very sticky. They fry the prawns a little bit. So it's fried prawns, when they put honey all over it. And then you got the walnut. It's super tasty. I've never really had shrimp with walnuts, and I've never actually had shrimp with honey before. Oh, this dish is amazing. It's a really cool balance because they're both really crunchy and they're both very sweet. They also recommend the Mongolian beef and a few really hot, spicy Szechuan dishes, but this is the reason I came here. Oh, this is probably my favorite dish of the day. So sweet, and the crunch. This is the star of the day. One more. We're ending this meal the way we end every meal in a Chinese restaurant in America. Here we go. What's inside my fortune cookie? Thank you. Very true right now. Now you know where fortune cookies were invented. So we did it. We ate our way through the oldest Chinatown in America. The food was so amazing. My favorite thing was probably the pork bun and also the honey walnut shrimp. It was so crunchy and sweet. But definitely gotta visit the fortune cookie factory and you gotta eat those egg tarts. They were just yummy. Besides restaurants, there's a lot of souvenir shops. And yeah, just roam through it. It's actually really big. I recommend starting here at Grant at this gate and exploring for a few hours. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next adventure. Peace.